The last episode of USBORNE Junior Illustrated Math Dictionary from Hunch Shuns. Hi guys, and welcome to a new episode on this channel. Today we will be talking about the last part of this book called the USBORNE Junior Illustrated Math Dictionary. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and let's get started. Today we'll be talking about data graphs. Now, there are loads of things that we need to talk about data. Data shows how much or how many you have, or how much you did work, or how many Lego movie superheroes I have, or even how many cases that my factory has ever owned. Actually, yeah, like that. And sometimes even how to make some of these pie plates, and how to make more of these USBORNE Junior Math Dictionary Venn diagrams or something like that. And now these are all can be shown in some data charts. And these are just a few examples that I'm about to show you. There are data lists. Data lists, and then we can also show them in tables. Sometimes we even put them into tally charts, and we can even put them into pictographs. Yay, pictures! Then there are some different types of bar graphs. I would rather recommend this one. This one or this one. It's a bit better. And then we'll also show some pie charts because, well, you know, they look like pieces of pie. And this is called a Venn diagram. It's like two circles interlocking together. The interlocking part are the similarities, while the uninterlocking parts are the differences. And then we go into line graphs. Line graphs, by the way, are used by so many people around the world that is pretty common. It shows the lines, how the lines go down or how the lines go up, shows how much you have go sales down business or sales up business, or just into a middle or just an average, okay? And these are just other different types of line graphs. They can go up forever. Sometimes, though that does not exist. Yes, that does not happen literally, but probably they might if sales are increased forever. And then those are just different types of these graphs. By the way, forever does not really happen. And then we go into a lot of things such as averages. Now the averages, there are three types of averages. First of all, there's the mode, the mean, and the median. The mode is the most type of things, the most obvious things that happens. Like how many numbers, the most common numbers that happens. Like 9 is the most common number here because there are a lot of numbers such as 8, 9, 9, 9, 9, 10, 11, 9, 9. Yeah, 9 is the most common number. That's the mode. And the mean is this is how you find the mean. The mean is to add all the numbers that you have in the data and then divide that number by how many numbers you added together. That'll give you the mean. And now the median. The median is the middle value of a set of numbers. So if there is an odd number of set numbers and you have to put them in order, the median will be in the middle if it's an odd number set. However, if it is an even number, then you first take the middle two even numbers and then add them together and divide by them too. So it's basically like finding the median of those two even numbers. Got it? And then we go into chances and probability. There is like a high percent chance that Deadpool will shoot you. Pew, pew, pew. Now, chances and probability are a lot of things that will happen that will go into your GP classes or something like that. Probability shows how likely something is going to be happening. It can be shown as percentages. Like, there is a 0% chance that you'll change genetically into a spider tomorrow. Or there's a 100% chance that I have 90 minutes of free time today. Or something like that. And sometimes there are dice probabilities and coin flipping probabilities. Coin flippings are 50-50 in the half model. And that is how everything literally happens. And there are sometimes even loads of other numbers that we need to talk about in the chances and probabilities. There's a high percent chance that I'm going to do this. And because I already done it, it's true. And that is how everything, as I really want to end this episode. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this episode as much as I did. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next episode. Shinhan out. Peace! See you in the next episode and subscribe to this channel for more episodes.